Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax in Bali. Today we are over in Denpasar, Bali, and we are going to go check out this cute Airbnb. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are at the street. This place is called the Row Loft Apartments. So it is at the end of a street. Got some motorbikes coming. This is the access to the beach. It's about a 5-minute walk. And so coming in, this is where everybody parks. These are serviced apartments. So people can live here year round, but then we have rented it as an Airbnb. Check out the beautiful flowers. And again, I left my gimbal at home, so bear with me on the shakiness of the video. Check out this nice, beautiful brick. And coming in, we've got a hallway. And so this is a metal gate. You must enter your access code. And then you come through. And here we are coming down. Covered hallway. Nice. Beautiful. What are those things? I forget what those are called. Dragon, flowers, no. Okay, so here we are at room. Put the code in. And here is the entrance. One thing, check out this door. Look how beautiful it is. Textured, little one-bys on a wooden door. Close that up. All right. Doing that. Okay, so entering in, it's a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Has a full kitchen, living room, and kind of like a dining area. It does have a shared pool with everybody else in the complex, and there's not many. I think there's about 6 or 7 of these all together. So right at the entry, we have the half bathroom. So we've got kind of this nice polished concrete down here, but this is going to be concrete tile coming inside. And then one thing to note, that is the electrical plug in Indonesia. So beautiful. Kind of similar to the floor, polished speckled granite. And this is kind of like a bidet. About 8-foot high ceilings. Okay. So coming in, we have a step up into the kitchen. We've got like a black granite. I love these like runoff grooves right here, so that water just flows right back into the sink. Check it out. Could you live here? This is really interesting way of putting the temperature on the fridge and how you change it. I like the size of the fridge. It's much smaller than an American fridge, not as deep, not as wide, but still seems to be enough of what you would need. Fish, poultry, meat up there, veggies and fruit down below. Man, that feels good in there. Might have to sleep in the freezer tonight. All right, so this is kind of neat. They got like a little water device here. That's the hot. And then these built-in cabinets. Some of them are kind of hidden, but most of them you can see. This is the garbage disposal down here and the trash below. But I thought these were fun. Just great use of space underneath the stairs in an area you probably just otherwise wouldn't use. Even up here, too. And then here they use electricity for the stove. This is probably one of those induction ones where you actually have to have something on the stove for it to work. So it comes with a pot that you have to use. So stepping down, we're gonna come into the living room. And your dining area is kind of mostly here. You'd be eating at a tabletop bar, or you could eat outside. There is a cat too, so maybe the cat lives here. We do have air conditioning upstairs. So there's two different air conditioning systems. I like that it's hidden. It's just one of those mini splits, but kind of nice that it's not an eyesore in here. And just check this room out. Look at the high ceilings, glass overlook, bedroom, stairs coming down. So concrete floors all throughout the house, other than where the wooden stairs are. So I'm going to take you outside at the very end of the tour. And we'll see what's out there. So you also have built-in storage down here. So again, if you lived here, the guy said somebody lived here for up to 5 years, which I think I could do it. So coming upstairs, got beautiful floors, like a mango wood. I like how it just comes down onto the couch. Gotta be careful. There is some areas that could hurt you, as well as this overhang right here, making sure your shoulder doesn't hit it coming upstairs. So here we are in the bedroom. Lots of storage in it. And then this is a king size bed. Glass railing. No, I don't think I'm gonna lean too hard on that. It feels sturdy, but you just never know. Okay, so I told you it's a 1.5 bathroom. So where is the other bathroom? Well, here is the other air conditioning unit. And what's nice about these is you can move these so that you can regulate on where your airflow is going. So here we are coming into bathroom number 4. So that door, I don't know if you kind of noticed, that door is real thick. It's like a secret bathroom, which is so amazing. So neat. And then here we've got kind of the same sink as down below. It's got like, it flows back into it, but what's neat about this one, it has a light up mirror, and then this is like a vent that takes the smoke out of the bathroom. So I'm gonna leave it off for now. So really interesting the way they built that. And then coming in, we've got a large kind of tiled panel and concrete tile on the floor with a rainfall shower. 2 very large shampoo boxes. I mean, you could put a plant in here if you wanted to. It's pretty fun. I don't know, what do you think? Let's go check outside and see what that has to offer. That door is quite heavy as well. Okay, so coming downstairs, this is a great handle too. Big Bear would like it. But they wouldn't like this. This would be illegal. Okay, so I'm gonna come outside. And each apartment has their own little balcony to sit outside at. And you do get a lot of smokers out here, so they have an area to smoke. But nice, covered, enjoy it if it rains. There is the apartment like headquarters. And here we have the pool. And the shared cat. Oh, the pool feels great. Oh, is that a hot tub?
No.
It has to. It's not a hot tub? Looks like it's about like 4 foot deep. You can sit on the other side of it. Kind of nice that way. This is a lap pool. This has to be a hot tub. Or like maybe a baby pool, because it does have the same height as the other pool, so I guess it wouldn't be a hot tub. And this is, every little place around here has one. The little pagoda. Okay, there you have it. See you at the next one. Bye.